Hi, I'm Spencer at Kenwood Tire. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a tire using a one-piece repair. After removing the tire and inspecting the inside, I remove the culprit and mark off the repair area. I start by reaming the hole with a 1/4-inch carbide bit and a low-speed drill. Next, I prepare the inner liner surface using a pre-buff cleaner that removes any dirt and manufacturing oils that may be left over. Using a low-speed buffer, I buff the inner liner thoroughly and evenly. My goal is to get a smooth, velvety surface without exposing the cords underneath. Then I remove the rubber dust without contaminating the area. I apply some Rima cold vulcanizing cement, spreading it out for maximum adhesion and allowing it to dry. When the glue's dry, I pull through the patch from the outside and then use a stitcher to make sure the patch is stuck down properly. This is a really important step in the tire repair. Finally, I use an inner liner repair sealer to finish it up.